Now, the political drama in Karnataka is clearly intensifying. DK Shivkumar hosted Siddaramaiah for breakfast at his residence today for everyone to see. On a question by media on DKS becoming Chief Minister, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah said that DKS will become Chief Minister whenever High Command says so, acknowledging DKS his CM aspirations. So it is clear that he is aware of it. And top Congress sources now say that DK Shivkumar has been declined an audience by the High Command. Sources also say that DK Shivkumar has been told not to come to Delhi and that there is no change in status quo in Karnataka. DK brothers welcomed Chief Minister Siddaramaiah today morning at DK Shivkumar's residence for breakfast. Siddaramaiah held a meeting with DK Shivkumar, post which the leaders headed for breakfast. The highlight of the breakfast was idli served with nati chicken and curry along with dosa, upma and coffee. Kunigal MLA and close relative of DK Shivkumar, H.D. Ranganath, also took part in this breakfast meet. After the meet, DK Shivkumar put out a message saying the duo had reaffirmed commitment to good governance and continued development of Karnataka under Congress's vision. On the other hand, the BJP continues to accuse the Congress of internal division, claiming that the ongoing Siddaramaiah and DK Shivkumar differences are affecting Karnataka and governance. The meeting today at DK Shivkumar's residence comes 2 days after breakfast meeting that was held at Chief Minister's residence, where both CM and Deputy CM had said that there were no differences between the two.
CM ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್ DK ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು ಯಾವ CM ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ
ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಹೇಳದಲ್ಲ
ಸರ್ CM ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್ DK ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು ಯಾವ CM ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ
ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಹೇಳದಲ್ಲ
ಸರ್ CM ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್ DK ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು ಯಾವ CM ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ
ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಹೇಳದಲ್ಲ DK Shivkumar has invited me for breakfast. For breakfast. Both of us had a breakfast. And DK Suresh was also present, and Kunigal MLA Rangnath was also there. So we four jointly had a meeting, had a breakfast, and we have not discussed anything during the breakfast. Myself and DK Shivkumar, we have discussed regarding the assembly session is to be held from 8th of December, and what strategy we should adopt, that has been discussed. And also we have discussed regarding the meeting of the MPs who are representing Karnataka and Delhi. So it was decided that we should call a meeting of the MPs in the breakfast meeting that I have invited, that you shall, both of us, should listen to the whatever decision taken by the High Command. That it is mostly Rahul ji and Sonia ji and Karge ji. All our MLAs are unitedly will face the opposition.
There's been a complete failure of the law and order. There's no development, and people are suffering because of the power struggle or the power fight among the frontline leaders to become Chief Minister. So I call upon the Congress party and the Congress government to be more responsible. You fight whoever wants to become Chief Minister, it is not our problem. But the people of the Karnataka should not suffer. The Congress party has been completely insensitive, irresponsible, letting go this power struggle for a long time.
He has to say, as a politically he has to say. So there must be some understanding because on 8th, state government session is going on. For that purpose, I think it is now ceasefire, for temporary ceasefire.
They think that they can fool the people all the time, which is not going to happen. Just because the very fact that they are meeting for breakfast so publicly and they show that it's a truce meeting itself shows that there is a great deal of difference basically. That's why they are meeting, number one. And ये तो अभी जो मौन हामी है, this is just a interval. अभी picture बाकी है.
You think that this tussle will not end?
Not at all. Knowing the DNA of both is not going to end that easily. But the whole thing is that people of Karnataka are suffering. There is no governance, there is no administration, there is no development. Huge corruption. There is a competition in corruption. There is a competition in corruption between CM, Deputy CM, between CM, Deputy CM and ministers. And High Command, in a way, are not trying to diffuse it. They are trying to take advantage of the situation.
ये गवर्नमेंट का हालत बहुत खराब हो चुका है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं बताता हूँ, लास्ट 2 महीना से गवर्नमेंट ही नहीं है कर्नाटक में। मुख्यमंत्री चेयर पर डिबेट हो रहा है, मुख्यमंत्री कुर्सी पर चर्चा हो रहा है, कुछ भी डेवलपमेंट एक्टिविटी के बारे में चर्चा ही नहीं है। बिल्कुल स्टैंड स्टिल हो गया। सिद्धरामैया और DK शिव कुमार मुख्यमंत्री चेयर पर डूबे हैं। इसलिए हम डिमांड कर रहा है ये गवर्नमेंट ठीक से चलाना, नहीं तो इस्तीफा देकर चले जाना।